Hello, everyone. So glad to be back. Welcome to Regal Exalted King, where we exalt the Lord, we exalt King Jesus, we grow in our faith, and we find purpose. I am so excited to be back. I hope everyone has had an awesome summer. Yes, I'm hoping that everyone has had an awesome summer. Can you believe it? We're here in the month of September. I hope you had a great holiday weekend on last week. Got some rest. We are now here at the end of the summer. Wanted to pop in and just speak to everybody. Hope everyone has been working on their goals since the beginning of the year. When we came on, we started talking about putting together our vision boards. I was talking about our goals and our dreams, strategies, the plan, the blueprint in order to move to the next level. But I wanted to also come on and say that I will be back on in a few days to talk a little bit more about vision boards and to let you know we are back here. It's been a year now from the women's conference where the Lord gave me a word on birthing out the vision boards, right? So I want to come back and tell you about this and also to let you know the women's conference that this vision was birthed is kicking off tonight. Yes, it's kicking off tonight. Would love for you to join us. The information is down in the description below. Registration has closed for previous, but it is now set up for you. You can still register for day to day or for the entire weekend, kicking off tonight all the way until Saturday. And I'm back on the panel to speak again this year. So excited about that. So if you would just kind of stay tuned in, I'll be back in a few days to talk a little bit more about the vision boards. And also, we have a new vision board workshop coming up. I will talk a little bit more about that. And so that will be coming up in the next 2 weeks. But yes, I'm excited to be back. Hopefully, I would love to hear from you down in the comments about what you have accomplished so far. Hopefully, you got some things done over the summer. You're ready to go to the next level, and we are getting ready to move in the fourth quarter of the year. So we need to prepare, yes, and plan and strategize for coming up for 2025. Remember the word of the Lord last year, it was relevant for 2024, moving on up to 25 and beyond. Yes, so we're excited about this. But please join us this weekend. We kick off tonight. Once again, the information is down in the description, and I will see you all soon. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification button for new and upcoming videos. Have a great day, evening, or night, wherever you are. Be blessed.